This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by A&A Companies.
Warmer temperatures are soon to come, and pretty soon we'll be stashing away those heavy winter coats for the foreseeable future. You might even be cranking down the heat inside your home.
Yeah, your wardrobe and your HVAC system will be going through adjustments regardless of what the thermostat says, and that means you need to ensure everything is functioning as intended. And who knows that better than Mindy Allen Townsend? She's the Vice President of A&A Companies. Mindy, always good to see you.
You as well.
Yeah, so let's talk about our HVAC system. How often should we have it professionally serviced?
So most of your manufacturers recommend every 6 months. And that's kind of what we recommend. However, there are some things that, filters, if you have animals, dogs, cats, dirt, dander, an older home, I definitely recommend changing your filters or at least checking them every 3 months. And if they're dirty at 3 months, then maybe you need to go down to every 30 days. I see all realms. I have friends that have to change theirs every 30 days because they have 3 dogs, shedding dogs. And then for me, I can go 6 months. It also depends on the type of filter you have. If they're your standard 1 or 2 inch filters, they definitely need to be changed every 6 months. I have a high efficiency filter, which is like a 4-inch media filter. I can go a little bit longer than average, but we definitely don't recommend that. 6 months is what, especially if you have a warranty on your systems, manufacturers say every 6 months.
So what's interesting is most people put off the service because they don't want to spend the money. But compared to some major problems, it's probably a good investment to do it regularly, right?
Oh, absolutely. Routine maintenance can save you the headache of having an issue when there's a foot of snow on the ground or when it's 100 degrees outside. The #1 leading cause of premature failure in heating and air conditioning systems is a lack of maintenance. Dirty filters, clogged drains. A dirty filter can cause the fan motor to not spin effectively, which can burn a fan motor up. So you went from spending, $89 to $120 on a maintenance to now spending $500 or $1,000 on a fan motor, depending on what kind of system you have. So a simple thing that can be done in a matter of an hour, hour and a half can save you so much trouble. And people just don't realize that. They don't realize how dirty heating and air conditioning equipment gets. It's filtering all of the air that is in your home. And if you have dogs, you have cats, kids, anything, all of that's being filtered. So your air conditioning system is filtering all the air. I mean, it definitely gets dirty.
So what are some signs we might notice that our system, something's wrong with it?
In the heating mode, running longer, running an emergency heat more often, running an emergency heat when the temperature outside is moderate, or running an emergency heat and there's no change in the thermostat. So I had a call from a girlfriend not too long ago, actually a week ago, and she said, my thermostat won't even get to 68. It won't satisfy. She's like, it automatically brings on auxiliary heat. She's like, and it makes no sense. Well, come to find out, there was an issue, an underlying issue that wouldn't allow her system to do that. So just knowing what your home normally does, paying attention to it. That's like the biggest thing is you are in your home every day. It's your comfort. So when you notice that it's colder or that maybe the emergency heat's running, you see a little red light on your thermostat, especially in the heating mode, that's something. In the air conditioning mode, tall tale sign is humidity. You walk into a place and it's sticky, you walk into your house and it's sticky, there's an issue. Definitely the filters. If you feel like you're not getting as much air out of the vents, probably a filter issue. So those are just things that a homeowner can check out.
So what does a typical service entail? What do you get when you come by?
So we have a 17-point checklist that we do for maintenance. Some of the key things are we change the filters, we clean the drains, we check all the start components, all the electrical components, contactors, capacitors, circuit boards, all of those things. We're going to make sure the outdoor unit's running. We're going to make sure the indoor unit is running, the coil's clean. We're going to put algae tabs in the drain pans in the spring for summer because when your heating and air conditioning system condensates in the summertime, it's taking all of what the filter doesn't catch that falls onto the coil and dropping it into a drain pan. Dust, dirt, algae, all of that kind of coagulates in the bottom of a drain pan, and that will cause your PVC piping for your drain to clog. So algae tablets kind of try to help that. It's not a permanent fix, but it's definitely something that can increase the longevity of a drain for draining. So along with all those things, filters, filters.
Yeah.
Like I cannot say it enough. We get so many calls, and it is simply just a filter.
Wow.
All good information, Mindy, and we can never hear it enough.
Right.
Thank you
No,
so
you're right.
much, Mindy Allen Townsend with A&A Companies. Good to see you today.
You as well.
Thank you.